dogs the fastest. It's time to see who claims the title of Derby Dog Champion.
Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Mark. Coming through. Coming right through here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh, goodness. Never gets easier, Frankie. That's what I just said. You all right? Let's go. That is right, folks. Sun's out. Hot dog buns out. This is the Derby Dog Showdown. Woo! My name is Oscar, and I'll be your master of ceremonies for the event today. Currently with me is your current Derby Dog champion, your reigning Derby Dog top dog, Frankie!
Truly grateful to be here, Oscar. Quite frankly, my heart and stomach are still full from last year's competition. Once a year, the who's who of Lake Erie gather here at Cedar Point to determine who will be the next Derby Dog champion.
The Derby Dog champion is a prestigious title, which is only awarded to the worthiest of competitors. The Derby Dog champion will also inherit the title of Derby Dog Ambassador to the country, as well as other duties as assigned.
Quite frankly, I'm exhausted.
The rules of the competition are simple. The first person to finish their plate of Derby Dogs, that means chew and swallow, will become the Derby Dog champion. Frankie, reveal the names. Check out those buns. Let's hear it for Frankie.
The time has come to reveal our chosen contestants.
To reveal your Derby Dog destiny.
Libby Robinson. Brogan Curtis. Katie Marzek. Mary Simmons. Andrea Berry. Emily Wargo. Joe E. And Carmen Berry.
All right, that's
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7.
Are you number 8?
Number 8. There we go.
All right, that's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
8 contests.
8 hot dogs. That's what I'll say.
What?
8, like the hot dog.
Oh,
like
the
you eat a hot dog.
You know, they ate, Frankie.
They haven't eaten yet.
Well, they haven't eaten yet, but they will.
And we'll find out.
Thank you, contestants. Now, Frankie, I must ask you a question.
That was a good one, Oscar.
Thanks, Frankie.
Good.
Do you have any final words of advice for our competitors here today?
Yeah, if you fall behind, just catch up. All right, I'll stop. Just please relish this opportunity.
Haha.
All right. Realize that one day you will look back on this and realize that this was your peak. It's all downhill from here.
Wise words, Frankie.
Thank you.
Wise words.
I tried.
Now again, the first person to finish their 2 Derby Dogs will be crowned the Derby Dog champion, but they will also be whisked away in our Derby Dog mobile right over there to start completing their first official duty as Derby Dog Ambassador, spreading the good news of Derby Dogs to the people of the Boardwalk.
You're a wiener, baby.
Hot diggity dog! Frankie, as last year's wiener, will you please lead the contestants in the ceremonial swearing in the competition?
All rise! Raise your Derby Dog high and repeat after me. I name. To dedicate my life.
Do dedicate my life.
To the virtue of the Derby Dog Order.
To the virtue of the Derby Dog Order.
Determination.
Determination.
Optimism.
Optimism.
And gluttony.
And gluttony.
So help me, dog!
So help me, dog!
All right, thank you.
Thanks, contestants. Now, I have to ask you guys, contestants, are you ready? Woo! Yes! That is the energy I need to hear. Now, audience, are you ready? Yes! Let's put the ceremonial scepter in its place. Anyways, with the audience being ready and the contestants being ready, let the competition begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh goodness.
Off to a great start,
A
Oscar.
great start,
Off to a
Frankie,
great start.
indeed. A great start. You know, I really wish we see competition this fierce all the time, Frankie.
That's true, that's true. I hope so too.
Me
I like
too.
how some people are bringing the hot dogs to their face, and sometimes the hot dog is bringing the face to them.
That's
It
true.
really speaks a lot about character,
That says a lot about life when you think about it.
a lot about life.
Sometimes the hot dogs choose you, not you choosing the hot
That's
dog.
true, that's true.
Oh,
we
look,
got some cheers.
we're down a hot dog over here.
Already?
Goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Our other competitors better catch up.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah,
that
you
was
stopped
so
that, Frankie.
good, Oscar.
You stopped that.
Anyways, let's go ahead and hear some cheers for everyone up here.
Yes.
There it is.
Now, before this competition comes to an end, which it might be soon, can you tell the contestants what they're going to walk away with here today?
I'll say it very fast. The hot dogs you do or do not finish, a complimentary water bottle, and a Derby Dog button. However, if you do win, you win a Blue Bunny stuffed animal.
What? Blue Bunny stuffed animal. That's
They're
so
adorable.
cool.
Anyways.
Oh, final bite!
Can we get some cheers while he swallows that final bite?
Yes! I'm going to need to see an empty mouth to know you're a winner.
Everyone else, the competition is not over yet. All right, it is
Oh,
now.
it is
now.
on. Look at that.
What's your name? Joe? Congrats to Joe!
Yes! One moment, everybody. Feel free to take your hot dogs and plates right over that way. You'll get your water and your pin. Joe, after that, if you could join us right up here, and we'll get this ceremony off to a rousing conclusion.
Great job, great job.
That was a quick competition, folks. You usually don't see it end that fast. Sometimes you get people going for 2 minutes chewing on those dogs, but I
That's
mean,
true.
goodness gracious, I mean, we were in and out.
I've quite literally never seen faster competition than that, Oscar.
That is true, that is true. All right. Go ahead and join us right up here. Get right in the middle. Ooh, as long as I don't fall over, that would suck.
Your sash.
And your scepter. Whenever you're not opening the water bottle. There you go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to your new Derby Dog champion, your 2025 Top Dog Show! All that cheering sounds like it's time for a picture.
A picture?
A
Let's take a
picture.
picture.
I don't know who took the picture.
I'm gonna keep posing.
You
All
did,
right.
you got it. Alrighty then.
I'm done though. Good luck.
Hey, Frankie, please lead Joe to the Derby Dog Mobile. He's got duties to fulfill, of course.
All right. Come
Now
on,
get,
Joe.
get over there.
I'm getting over there. Excuse us, Derby Dog champion coming.
Anyways, as you can see, we have a lot of duties to fulfill and hot dogs to share.
Your throne.
Hello. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining us at the Derby Dog Showdown here at Cedar Point's Boardwalk Nights. Woo!